a downtrend, and bearish candle start from this level, so the next candle will be a bearish candle. So on the trade, after bearish candle there is a shooting star candle, so the next candle will be a bearish candle. Here is an opportunity, a long bullish candle, so the next candle will try to retrace from the closing level. So on the trade, after two bullish candles there is a shooting star, so the next candle will be a bearish candle. Always analyze market and candlestick before trade, otherwise you will lose your all assets.